Aarti blessed Mithai with this necklace as her daughter-in-law and Siddharth's wife.
Grandfather, grandmother. Okay, listen, I'm telling everyone. I will come again to meet you all. Don't cry after I leave. Gra- hey, grandfather. Why has your face dropped? Don't do that, please. Hey, Jonah isn't that far. Fine, I will come and feed you your special sweet secretly, okay? Grandmother, I was saying that. Please don't get mother wrong, please. See, she's my mother. Even she gets crazy sometimes and get out of control. You understand, right? And I was saying, please don't misunderstand your angry son. Please never assume that he's the reason I have to leave. Actually, this was bound to happen. Just to receive everyone's love, the Lord kept me here for so long. He didn't let me go. And now he has decided that that's enough. Not anymore. I'll got my share of love and affection in this family. Now I need to go. Mother, what are you doing? Let's go. Don't just stand here. I won't be able to control myself. Let's go now. I'm telling one and all. May you all stay happy. May you be very happy. I, I will leave now.
There. You two are here, Samresh. I asked you to come a little early today. The reason is something's happened in this house. Parvati has decided that she won't allow Mithai to stay in this house anymore. I think Parvati has made the right decision. What have we given to Mithai? Siddharth has still not been able to accept the marriage. Mithai even had to stay in prison for false allegations. Did Mithai deserve this life? I know it very well that this event would delight you. But I'm still asking you. Will Mithai really leave this house? Be what it may, Siddharth is your son. You might have an opinion about Mithai.
Am I dreaming or what? Is this for real? Mithai is going to leave the house on her own. What is this happening?
Mithai, if you really want to stay involved with our business, then you can. See, it was my son who first committed the mistake. He adamantly married your daughter Mithai. He didn't pay heed to anyone. A guy who doesn't even believe in the institution of marriage married Mithai just to honor his grandpa. That was where the fault lay. And for so many days, whenever I spoke of rectifying that mistake, my family blamed me only. It doesn't happen in our society, does it? So, when you want to rectify that mistake, I won't stop you. But yes, it's true that I don't dislike Mithai either. Her talent of making sweets, her ideas, all of those are really great. I can't refute that. That's why I'm saying, if you want, you can stay involved with our business.
Mother? Uncle? Let's go, it's getting late. I'm not qualified enough to partake in the business. Then too, if you ever need any help, please let me know once, okay? I will surely come. And all this while, two brothers Som is the one who handled the business all along. He will handle it. And don't worry, Uncle Rosomoy and the team can make the sweets that I make. There won't be a problem, okay? Mother? Let's go. Bye.
Samresh, what is this? Why did you ask Mithai about business in this situation? I don't understand. How could you behave so selfishly?
Whatever I said it for good.
Who's good? Ours. We have only thought about our good all life, right? Samresh, a girl who's managing her family and the business. How beautifully she used to handle everything, right? Although her husband never considered her to be his wife. We never even paid Mithai any salary for managing the business. What? We didn't, right? Tell me. Exactly. Such an amazing service without any payment. This is truly profitable. Right, Samresh?
Please stop blaming me, Aparajita. If someone is at fault here, it's your nephew. I told him so many times this marriage didn't mean anything. But still, he kept up with this drama only and only for his grandpa's sake. None of you told him that one can't deny a marriage. In our society, you can't refuse to accept your marriage after getting married. This can't be. Why didn't you explain this to him? Tell me why. Whatever happened, happened for the best. At least I can say that Mithai's mom is much more efficient than us. She could at least take a step.
Tarsha, you can't imagine that. What is happening here? Mithai is going to leave forever. But don't make any noise about this now. Let's wait and see what next. Shri, what are you doing here? Shri, go and talk to Sid once. See, none of us will be able to console him. That's why I'm asking you. Whatever Aunt has said is all correct, but the matter is little different. Even you know that. Sid looks sad as Mithai is leaving. I noticed that. That's why, please. Are you listening? Please go.
Well, Ratul, don't you think we should tell everyone about our relationship too? I mean, our relationship is a pretense too. We should tell everyone about it. We too will get caught like this someday, won't we? And the marriage took place between two close families. Can you even imagine what the condition will be when everyone comes to know?
Shri, please. Please don't worry about our marriage right now. Go to Sid now.
I can't, Ratul, I can't bear to look at Siddharth. He's not even able to realize how much he will miss Mithai. And it's also true that he was in no position to stop her. Actually, you know what? In our society, we can't pretend about marriage, Ratul. You either have to accept the marriage or you have to break the marriage.
Shri, relax. Why are you getting so hysterical? First, let's solve this issue then.
Sri, there you are. Listen, we all have decided to go to Janai together. We need to explain to Mithai's mom that she can't break a relationship so easily.
What will
Am I
you
right?
say to her, Rajiv? The relationship is fake. Yes, and even Siddharth couldn't accept this relationship.
Hey, listen, he was going to accept it today. But suddenly, Auntie got so angry. Exactly. I was so scared, Sister Nanda. Hey, Shri, Aunt wasn't like this before.
So just imagine how much the elders are hurt after knowing the truth.
Why are you talking like this, Sri? Please tell me. Listen, Brother Sid is completely involved with Mithai now. Isn't it, Ratul? Am I right? Yes. I'm also thinking the same.
That's it. That settles it. Why are we still waiting? Come, let's all take Siddharth and leave for Janai. Look, Sri, no matter what Uncle Samaresh says, Mithai is the daughter-in-law of this house, and that divorce acknowledgement paper is nothing but a piece of paper. That's it. So now go and ask Siddharth to come with us to Janai right away.
Why me, Rajiv? All of you can go.
Did you see that? Oh Lord, Shri, Sid will only listen to you. He will avoid us if we say anything. Don't you know how much Siddharth loves you, Shri? He loves all of us too, but you are bound to hold a different position. Please try and understand. And if I say anything, he won't pay attention.
I have no courage to enter that room.
I don't mind entering the lion's den, but I don't think it would be of any help. Okay, we all know that Siddharth can't share his thoughts, sorrow and pain with everyone. If he expresses them in front of his sister, then don't you think he would be less embarrassed? Listen, Sri, go. Now go, please talk to him. Don't you worry at all. See, we will definitely come after you at the right time. Go.
Hey, Brother Rajiv, Nipa and I'll go and keep an eye on them. Okay? You please come on time. Hey, Nipa, come on.
Yeah, that. Hey, listen. Don't talk much over there, okay? No, I mean, you comment a lot about everything, so I'm just warning you.
Don't say too much. Come on.
Hey! Ratul, I have something to talk to you about Shri.
I too want to discuss the same things and in these circumstances. Because we have an inkling that there's a big secret between you and Sri.
Yes, I mean, your relationship is not normal. Are we on the right track?
Even our relationship is a pretense. We should tell everyone about it. We too will get caught like this someday.
Brother, Nanda, why are you after me now? Whenever there is an issue in Sid and Mithai's relationship, you drag us. Our issue is different.
That means there is an issue, right?
Which marriage doesn't have? Nothing new.
Ratul, I just want to know one thing from you. Tell me the truth, Ratul. Have you been able to accept my sister as your wife?
Nanda, have you ever seen me disrespecting Shri? Ever? Why are you saying this then? Please, can you leave us alone? Please. Brother Rajiv, come on, let's go to Sid. Let's hear what he has to say. Come on, come.
Ratul, listen. He ran away, Nanda. He ran away. Really, I get a feeling that our lives would pass just like this, uniting others. Amazing siblings we have. Well, we need to handle this silly fool's case a bit differently. At the moment, let's arrange for all of us to go to Janai with Siddharth. Come on, let's go.
He has locked himself in for so long. Just like before, when Mithai was not in his life.
I just can't take all this sorrow anymore, you know. I thought that once brother Siddharth and Mithai got married today, I would tell them both to talk about Rudra and my relationship seriously. But you know that Mithai left. Hey Shri, how will we live without Mithai? Listen, I am telling you, whether Siddharth goes there or not, we will go to Chennai.
What is this, Sri? Why are you still standing here? Didn't you go in?
Rajiv, the door seems to be locked. I think Siddharth wants to be alone at the moment.
Oh Lord! It won't work if he's alone now. Shri, what did we explain to you for so long? And where is Ratul? He too was supposed to be here.
Ratul, he went downstairs. He told me to inform me when to go to Chennai tomorrow. What's wrong with him, Nanda? He looks so upset.
There's a storm of sorrow, my little brother. A storm of sorrow. So, Sri, what do we do now? Should we wait here?